Hello guys, I am coming back. So I am here to introduce this bracelet. So this one is triple bond bracelet. Mostly only one bracelet, one bead of rhodonite, and other is tiger eye and lapis lazuli. This bracelet belongs to money. If you want to attract money, if you want to become a money magnet, so you wear this bracelet so you can easily attract money. And rhodonite helps you to shield your aura, and tiger eye helps you to encourage to take risk and manifest new things, new possibilities in your life. And it also helps to remove all kind of negativity. And uh, this is the lapis lazuli also helps to connect with your earth chakra, and tiger eye too. And tiger eye also helps to uh, be grounded, and lapis lazuli helps you to be a money magnet. And you also heard about money magnet bracelet. I think which one, five crystals makes to attract money, kind of. So this is also the competitor of that bracelet, because it gives you a lots of money with the help of this one bracelet. That that helps you a lot other things too, but this is having a protection also, grounding also, and connect with your earth chakra. And they also gives you the money, lots of money, lots of insights to help to earn new way to achieve your goal, and get your more money, whatever whatever your desire is to getting the money. So if you want more and more money in your life, so you have to buy this bracelet or wear this bracelet, because it gives lots of money, and also giving you the grounding to achieve your own ground. So this is especially made for those person who seeking the money also, but as well as protection also. There is growth, there is grounding, there is protection, there is shielding. And if you want to your money all comes with shield, so this bracelet helps you to get that thing. So if you want, if you are a geographical person, so it helps you to achieve your money. So every person has own definition of money. So each and single person has their own money when you wear this bracelet. So lots of person uh, gives you everything to get their knowledge or their money. So this gives you the opportunity to get your own money and own ground, and be strong, be fearless. And always remember that each and every loophole in your into your life, this bracelet will remove soon. So this is the marvelous achievement I ever made. And if you like this bracelet's energy. So you have to purchase from here, and whenever you get this video, uh, if you like this, so connect with me. You can DM me. I em- mentioned the email ID and number into the description box, so just uh, contact me. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy, healthy life. Thank you.